yo, yo, yo. Whining on any girl, all out on the road, and me don't give a damn, 'cause I like it so.
Alright you guys, this wig is from Original Queen Hair, and inside the box comes the hair and a pair of lashes. Usually wigs come with a wig cap. This one didn't, but that's okay. This is the Brazilian Kinky Curly. This is a 13x6 wig. Oh my god, wait, I'm excited. This is the color of the lace against my skin, and this is how the frontal is looking. Look at these kinky curls. This is 20 inches stretch. So right now I'm just showing you how the frontal looks basically. I'm going to go in with my own plucking. And then it goes down. Okay, so yeah, it's 20 inches. Okay, cool. I do not bleach my knots anymore. Instead, I use my beauty blender or makeup, whatever, with makeup already on it, and I just dab it on the inside of the wig and also on my wig cap if it is light brown. And this is how the hair looks. I did go in with some plucking, and if you guys would like to see how I pluck my wigs, I have 2 videos up on my channel. So this is how the hair looks, nice and plucked or whatever. This is a kinky curl, so we looking kinky and curly. So I'm just going to go with my water, of course, and run my fingers through it, and then I'm going to go in with my mousse and see what kind of part we want to do. Right now I'm just pulling the hair back because I'm about to got to be it down. So right now I'm just cutting off a big chunk of the lace just so that I can get it out of the way, and then I'm going to go back in with my scissors, cutting in a zigzag kind of motion, cutting as close to the hair as possible, getting rid of that lace so that we can glue it down. So when I got to be my wigs down, I like to pull my baby hairs forward just to get the rest of the hair out of the way, and I feel like these hairs forward act as an anchor, so I like to pull them and spray the glue behind the hair. Using the back of my comb, I'm just going to press and hold it down for a couple of seconds, just to make sure it's not slipping and sliding everywhere. So now I'm just putting on my hair tie, and I'm going to leave this on for about 5 minutes, and I'm just going to cut all this hair from out of the front of my face. And after 5 minutes pass, I'm going to come back, take the head tie off, and this is how it looks. I know you guys, it looks a little bit crazy, but we're going to fix that, and I'm going to take the clips out and part the hair how I want it to, but eventually I'm going to go in and comb those baby hairs out. In the shade Fawn from LA Girls Pro Conceal, I'm just going to intensify the parting of this hair. Okay you guys, just to get those baby hairs out of the way, I'm using the brush part of the edge brush, and I'm just brushing them out of stiffness basically. And I did my baby hairs off camera. If you guys would like a dedicated video on that, then just let me know. I'm just going to show you guys one of my favorite hairstyles when I install curly hair. So first of all, with whatever's tucked behind my ear, I want to make sure that that stays down. So I'm going to spray Got To Be spray on it, and I'm going to try to get the top as slick as possible. So I will be going in with water, Got To Be, and a brush, and I'm going to slick it down, tuck it behind my ear, put it into a ponytail, and boom. my gosh, look at that body. But you guys, thank you so much for watching. All the information for this hair is down in the description box. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed this hair, and I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
And they bad for so when they looking for jam, girl, you know what to do. I want you